Wash your hands. Hello there. Today we are making a smoothie. Who likes a smoothie? This guy likes a smoothie. Let's get started. So today's supplies are a measuring cup, spoons, a cup, and a blender. After we grab our supplies, we will need OJ, vanilla yogurt or plain yogurt, a bag of fruit, a banana, and some ice. Let's get started. All right, first things first. We need to peel our banana, put the whole banana right there. Next, I'm going to add a cup of fruit. Now you can use fresh fruit. Mine is frozen. And you can use blueberries, bananas, orange. Mine's strawberries, peaches, little mango. Yum. All right, so I got my 1 cup of fruit, and mine was frozen. Then I need half a cup of yogurt. Mine is vanilla flavored. Put that in. Here we go. I love a smoothie. Who likes a smoothie? I love a smoothie. All right, so I got my banana, my frozen fruit. I've got my yogurt. Next, my OJ, half a cup. I'm using the same measuring cup. So it doesn't really matter because it's all going to be blended in. It's going to be mixed in. Ooh, my OJ. And finally, I need 1 cup of ice. I got my ice. Whoop, a little messy. Whoop, little messy. That's okay. Throw that back there. Okay. Got my ingredients. Put my lid on. Now it's time to blend. This might be a little loud, so here we go. Yeah, that was really loud, don't you think? Could you even hear what I was saying? No, I didn't think so. Oh, it's my ice. I gotta still blend. Hang on, take 2. All right. It is smooth. It is, oh, nice and thick. This is nice. Nice. I wish you had smell-o-vision. No, I wish you had drink-o-vision. All right. Cheers. Put food back in the fridge. Put food back in the freezer. Wash your dishes. Let's review. What did Mr. Tim make? A. Smoothie. B. Toast. C. Waffles. The correct answer is smoothie. Where is yogurt kept? A. Pantry. B. Fridge. C. Freezer. The correct answer is fridge. What appliance did he use? A. Oven. B. Microwave. C. Blender. The correct answer is blender. How much ice did he use? A. 1 cup. B. 2 cups. C. 3 cups. The correct answer is 1 cup. What juice did he use? A, apple, B, grape, C, orange. The correct answer is orange.